Hello everyone. I hope you all doing well. Welcome back to my another day of my 30-day English challenge. Today is day 4 and I'm really happy and excited. Today I will talk about my daily routine, what usually I do during my day and what are the things that I want to improve. I have made a video before on it, but that was so simple and I just showed you the method and I just gave you some knowledge about it. In today's life, I will tell you all my routine in detail and with easy words कि आप लोग ये जान सको कि हम अपना डेली रूटीन किस तरह बयान कर सकते हैं, इसमें क्या ऐसे इजी अल्फाज होते हैं, जो भी हो तो मैं आज आप लोगों को बहुत आसानी से अपना डेली रूटीन बताता हूँ. So let's begin. Usually I start my day in the morning after waking up. The first thing that I try to get focus is to freshen up and get myself ready for the day. I believe कि जिस तरह हम मॉर्निंग का आगाज करते हैं वो इफेक्ट कर सकता है बकाया दिन पर. उसके बाद I have breakfast and think about my day, what I need to accomplish during the day. और कभी कभार मैं प्लान्स भी बनाता हूँ अपने माइंड में, because having plan keep me organized and focused. After that, I spend some time for studying. Since I have started the English challenge, जिस दिन से मैंने English challenge को start किया है, English challenge is also an important part of my routine. तो मैं काम करता हूँ vocabulary पर, pronunciation पर, mind पर, कैसे बनाऊंगा वीडियो, ये वो, because I want to do everything with sequence and properly. I think speaking is the most important point while learning English. We learn hundreds of words, grammar rules, and if we don't practice on English speaking, we wouldn't be so much confident to communicate. During the day, I also spend time teaching and doing other responsibilities. Teaching is something that I really enjoy because it gives me the chances to talk with different people and help them to learn something new. A thing that I have learned, that consistency is better than perfection. Consistency जो है वो perfection से बेहतर है. Because we don't need to be perfect in one day. We need a little progress every day. In the afternoon, I take some time to relax and have to eat something. And again, I continue with my work and activities. Video बनाना, video को edit करना, post करना, live आना, काम करना community पर, TikTok पर, YouTube पर, यही चीजें मैं जो है manage करता हूँ. In the evening, I reflect my day. I ask myself a few questions. What did I learn? What could I have done better? What did I accomplish today? I think these kind of reflections are useful. It helps us to understand ourselves and improve our habits. Of course, every day is not perfect. Somehow I feel tired. I lose my motivation. I couldn't do those things that I have planned. But I remind myself कि सिर्फ एक दिन का बुरा होना इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि मैं फेल हो चुका हूँ, because I'm human. And a famous saying that to err is human. इंसान गलतियों का पुतला है. The main thing is that you keep moving forward. You don't lose your hope and you never give up. At night, I usually get ready for the coming day. I think about my goals, my plans, my actions, my everything for tomorrow, and I do a beautiful rest that I should get up for the new day with fresh energy. In the life, I have learned a thing which is very important, and that is time management. I want to spend my time more wisely and avoid those actions which waste my time and do not help me to grow up. So this was a simple look at my daily routine. I believe कि हमारे जो छोटे आदत होते हैं ये फ्यूचर पे असर कर सकता है. एक दिन यही आदत हमारे फ्यूचर में एक मीनिंगफुल लम्हा लाएगा. आखिर में मैं आप लोगों से ये बात बताना चाहता हूँ कि अपनी पूरी जिंदगी को एक दिन पर डिपेंड ना करें. छोटे छोटे अमल करें, आदत करें, उस पर रोजाना प्रैक्टिस करें. कीप मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, डोंट गिव अप, नेवर गिव अप. बेस्ट ऑफ लक. तो ये था मेरा डेली रूटीन. आप लोगों ने भी अभी इसी तफसील से आसानी से आप लोगों ने अपना सारा डेली रूटीन मुझे कमेंट करना है. एंड बेस्ट ऑफ लक. सी यू इन डे 5. Goodbye.